So another contrarian trading idea. We've been nailing a bunch of these guys, contrarian trades, because again, the whole world, they've got it wrong. They got the inflation wrong. They've got Federal Reserve, loss of credibility for Federal Reserve is coming this year, guys. We've explained it in the video titled Stagflation. But this chart, actually, I've shared with you in the last 7 days, where at the point where the idea that banks are a bad investment was just something totally stupid and wild. But yet I did point out in the video titled 21 charts, 7 bear divergences, I pointed out that this is a top for Bank of America stock, which was January 5th. This was a top of Bank of America, and if you watch this video carefully, I said that it's gonna start sliding. It's probably not gonna come back to this level of 34, 35 bucks for a long time, like a year, 2 years, okay? And so what has happened so far with Bank of America stock is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days lower. Guys, watch it. I've called the top on this, guys. We're calling these as they go. So by the time you're finally agreeing, oh no, let's go ahead short Bitcoin, we're already collecting profits on Bitcoin related trades. Okay, we're going into some new trades. So this video is about some new trades that are about to outperform our shorts on Bitcoin. So pay very close attention. As you know, we don't trade Bank of America. Guys, some of you simply, you guys don't make any fucking money in trading options because you trade the wrong shit. You will never ever make big money trading Bank of America options. Why? Because this shit does not move. In order for you to make money with directional options, you need to trade the right instruments. The only reason we're even reviewing this chart because it tells you what's happening overall with the banking sector. But the stocks that we do trade, such as the alert that we have sent you guys yesterday, which was Friday, January the 12th, we said the easiest trade today is to short JP Morgan. I've sent out the alert bright and early, guys. Bright and early, before the market opens, I sent you a message that we're buying 175 strike puts, 172.5 strike puts, 170 strike puts, and at the moment, JP Morgan, before pre-market, was trading 174.21. Now, what has happened is we were able to buy these puts at a much better price because as soon as the market opens, those put options that we were planning on buying, they dropped in value like crazy. And guys, some of these 170 strike puts, we were buying them as low as 5 to 8 cents, 5 to 10 cents right here on the 170 strike. And they were going for as much as like close to $1 right here. So 5-cent contracts into $1 contracts, like within 2-3 trading hours. And for those of you that hopefully are trying to pay attention, get better as a trader, which move are we trading again, guys? Yes, most of you would have been mesmerized and you would have never pulled the trigger. I mean, I'm sending this message to some of the guys I'm personally trading with, and they're like, Leo, but it looks so fucking bullish. I'm like, damn right, buy fucking puts. Okay, so most of the people, when they see all this green action, the last thing they think of is, well, shit is just going to go to the moon. And they read the news, right? They read, oh, JP Morgan's got such a great quarter. It's the best quarter they've ever fucking had and blah, blah. And so they get in this bullish mode and they buy calls at the open just to get fucked. Why? Because they don't know that this is a move too. So keep your eyes on the price. Focus on trading and move two. I just posted the video breaking down move two multiple times, guys. This is just another example, okay? Move two structure. I've been posting a lot of videos on that in the last few weeks. Go review all of them. So this is the structure of a move two, okay? It's a beautiful structure. You got to understand what a move two is. If you really want to study the hell out of a move two and master trading move two, I suggest you invest in the 13 market moves course by going to 13mmtv.com right now. Don't waste time. Don't go another day without trading a move two, guys. It's a 17x trade. Is it worth investing a little bit of money in a 13 market moves course so you can identify the next 17x trade on your own? Or if you don't want to do it, guys, sign up to trade with a coach, and the coach is going to point out to you guys, hey, here's a potential move to right here, okay? Now, the whole world, again, they're bullish on stocks in the banking sector, which I think is the craziest fucking thing in the world, because banks do not do well during inflation. And at the same time, when the economy is slowing down, that's not the time to be buying banks when we're talking overall macro strategy. So if you've been paying attention, our macro outlook, guys, is high inflation and slower growth, which basically is called stagflation. Banks do not do well in stagflation. This is why you're seeing charts like this. Guys, this is exactly the type of top that I have shown you on a Bitcoin chart that I explained in some prior videos I posted earlier today. Guys, go review the 2017 Bitcoin chart that I have brought up to your attention, the historic analog, and go look at that candle on Bitcoin before it makes multiple red candles lower. This is your top in JP Morgan stock. The reason we started studying the hell out of these banking stocks because of this. Remember, a week ago, I brought this to your attention. This is a top in Bank of America. 6 days later, Bank of America, 6 red days lower. Now we're looking at the chart of JP Morgan, guys, and we're saying it's going to repeat exactly what Bank of America has gone through. Now, this is not the consensus. And again, this is the moment where it is not apparent to everyone that you got to be pulling the trigger and shorting stuff. It's the moments like this in the market that make you the money. But if you're going to sit there and look at all the green candles and you're not going to take any fucking action, you're not going to get a 17x trade. Because by the time the shit drops here, okay, you're paying now 30, 40 cents for your contracts, okay? For the same contracts, we paid 5 cents. You're paying 6 times more here. So therefore, there's no way you can make a 17x trade, even if it drops to the level of 169 like it did. We're selling them for close to $1. You would have at most been able to do maybe a 2x, maybe 2.5x, but there's no way you would have nailed a 17x trade because your entry had to be here. Your entry had to be on the bounce. So now that you know some of this information, that this is a move 2 right here on JP Morgan on the day of the earnings report, right? Now that we know there is, the day it goes exponentially higher to a level of 176, which would be the highest level on this chart, your RSI does not follow. So we got a case of a bear divergence on the RSI, guys. Every one of these things that just literally unwinded lower at the speed of light, okay? This one is next. The move lower is not. But guys, we've caught a 17x trade. And I'm going to bring up one more stock that I've actually mentioned in a video that I think is yet to do this. This thing has not even done the first red candle. It has not even done a move 2 yet, guys. So I think the next stock represents a lot of opportunity on the short side. We expected to drop in it just as much as Coin and MSTR, but it done nothing so far. So I think the biggest drop is just ahead for the stock of BlackRock. Now earlier, guys, I clearly pointed out a case that IBIT, which is in ETF for BlackRock, okay, it's down 25-30% as of last trading day. And I think the situation is going to escalate. I mean, we could see IBIT maybe trading down all the way to 18 bucks, which is going to be, I think, the breaking point for all the people that were buying it at a level of 28.30. So, and this could be a great catalyst because, look, a lot of people put a lot of money in IBIT over the last couple of days, and I think IBIT goes way lower, and if I'm correct about this, and clearly we're already seeing a lot of deterioration in banking stocks, and BlackRock should be dropping as a rock on its own. But this IBIT is going to put some real fire, okay, into BlackRock to make that move next week. So as far as timing the move or when BlackRock stock is going to collapse, I think it is next week, guys. So basically it's a domino effect, right? First, we got Bank of America. We called the top on that a week ago, okay? Let's go ahead and look at that chart real quick just to show you how this domino unfolds. So Bank of America top, while the rest of the world is highly bullish on what? Banking stocks, okay? Then we get what? A move 2, a solid move 2 on JP Morgan when it was reporting the best quarter, okay? That is not a bullish sign, okay? Now we're moving to JP Morgan longer time frame chart for you to get an idea, and it coincides, the candle formation, same as you see on the Bitcoin 2017 chart, guys, this is a recipe for a bear move lower. And yet we have one stock that's probably going to have the biggest catalyst associated with the disaster of its ETF that could give it some real fire to a major drop, because so far it hasn't done a whole lot, just a tiny bit right here, 820 down to 800. It's like it's still at 800. The bear divergence is here, okay, so it goes to the highest level, okay. It keeps, guys, it's a top information, bottom line, and you got a bear cross right here. You have a ton of people that have bought the stock that have not sold it yet. This crazy move from 500 handle, guys, from 580, the stock is up to 820. And this move, clearly, what was the main catalyst for this move? Well, the Bitcoin ETF. What else? Okay, so Bitcoin ETF propels the stock to the highest level in history, $820 a share, and yet the Bitcoin ETF for BlackRock is down 25-30%. Banking stocks, Bank of America, JP Morgan showing signs of major deterioration ahead of them. We're about to, guys, full bear mode on banking stocks because we're in a world of stagflation. Any more economic data, any more blow-ups in the Red Sea, any other news that are coming out as a result of the election over the weekend in Taiwan, guys, these stocks are gonna underperform like crazy, and I think this one is just ripe. It's got the catalyst, it's got the timing. All the major stocks, banking stocks, are already dropping. This one has not had a big move lower yet, and it's about to go through it. So, guys, BlackRock, short it, but don't do it on your own. Short it with 13 market moves, guys. Guys, simply go to 13mmtv.com, schedule a call button right here. This is how you sign up for the paying member alerts, guys, so you wouldn't miss out on trades like the JP Morgan trade. Yes, this 17x trade, guys, you could have been a part of it. And it only a few seconds, guys, to schedule the call, which means after you go for the coaching call, okay, you could be set up to receive alerts about trades like this in a very timely fashion. As you notice, the alert, guys, guess what? It was sent to you 45 minutes before the market opens, okay? It specifically told you the strike prices, everything, when to pull the trigger. Guys, it was all in seconds. Guys, you're within seconds away to register to receive trades like this directly to your phone. So it doesn't get easier than this, guys. But clearly, we invite you to study all the course curriculum. We invite you to study the hell out of a move too, so you understand it, so you stick with trades like this, so you overcome your fear to be able to pull the trigger when the whole world is bullish, when everything looks like going higher to the moon. You have the ammunition, the understanding to nail a trade like this. And this is what a 13 market moves coach can definitely help you accomplish. So increase your level of knowledge, nail some of these move twos, nail some of these 17x trades. Literally, you're a click away. Schedule a call now. Don't miss the next trade like this one. Fuck, Monday. You could be getting one on Monday like this. Don't fucking miss it. So what was the last time you've taken $9,300 to $2 million plus? Guys, today on January 13th, 2024, I have a very special announcement. Congratulations to Jennifer, who just became a 13 Market Moves coach. Yes, over the course of the last 90 days, she has taken her account from 9,300 to 2 million plus. And for the first time, she is going to coach first 10 students, guys. It's a very special announcement because it's all was done foundationally on our Crypto Start course system. She's followed it flawlessly. Now, I will say that for the first 2 years with 13 Market Moves, she has struggled. But what last 90 days that is, guys, she totally outsmoked me in her performance trading crypto. And guys, for that reason, we're giving her a chance to be a 13 Market Moves coach, guys. So sign up to trade with Jennifer. Unfortunately, she can only take 10 students. So this offer is open only for the first 10 callers. So you go to 13mmtv.com, you click right here, this orange button, schedule a call. You ask when you get someone on the phone here at 13 Market Moves, you ask, you say, hey, I want to sign up to trade with Jennifer. Okay, guys, do not miss this chance, okay? And for an introductory offer, she's doing a crazy, crazy special, guys. It's like 99 bucks a day. You got to sign up for a week. And guys, she's taking trades on average. Her returns are 380% on each trade. So 380% is what she's targeting. Guys, this is your chance. This is first 10 callers. Honestly, she doesn't care if you're a man, if you're a woman. She doesn't care how old you are, guys. She's done it, and she wants you to do the same. So this is your fucking rock star moment. Schedule a call to trade with Jennifer today, January 13th, 2024.